All right, now let's look at 19, one with the graph. So the first thing is just going to be a matter of reading the graph and adding up the amounts that they have on there. Because the first question they ask in 19 is in 2003, so the bar graphs to the left, the darker ones. In 2003, the family used a total of 49% of its gross annual income for two of the categories listed. So you got to look at the dark colored bars to the left and find two items that equal up to 49%. If you look through here, you'll see that the second one, the mortgage, insurance, and property tax, is 24%, and the last one, savings, is 25%. So those two equal up to 49%. Those are the only two that equal up to 49%. So those are the two they're talking about there in A. And then the second part of that question is the actual question, which is what was the total amount of the family's income used for those same categories in 2004? So now they're going to ask for the amount that those two categories in 2004, the right bars that are more lighter colored, add those two up, and what percentage of their income do they equal? So if we look at the mortgage, insurance, and property tax, it's 27%. And then for savings, it's 12%. So that's going to be 39%. Yeah, 39% for the two of those put together. Then the second question of the seven categories listed, which category of expenditure had the greatest percent increase from 2003 to 2004? That's just looking for, from the dark bar to the light bar, which one went up the most between the two? Where was the difference the most? And that's going to be in the miscellaneous category, because you can see the left bar is at 3% and the right bar is all the way up there at 10%. And the other ones are all fairly close, except for the savings, which goes way down. So, but they're looking for an increase. So that's how you go about 19. 19 is just kind of reading the graph and making sense of things. Hope that makes sense.